Just look at the views, guys. Hello, guys. So, yes, today's destination is a place where the river meets the sunset, and trust me, guys, the view is insane. So, hello, guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm not going straight to the destination because we're gonna stop by ATM like booth and hit the fuel station because we getting out of the fuel, and then we're gonna take a little bit adventure like off-roading, and then we're gonna go to the destination. And if you like like chill rides like that and real life moment, like make sure to stay until the end because the view is gonna be totally worth it. Okay. So let's go to the ATM booth and withdraw some money, and then we're gonna hit the gas station. And here we are. So we're probably gonna take fuel like almost 500 taga. It will cost us almost 500 taga. Okay. Well, guys, so we're gonna start the off-roading right now. Look at the sunset, and the sky is changing colors, and the river reflecting everything. You ride all this way, not for speed, not for showing off, but for moment like this, okay? And if you're feeling tired, stressed, or stuck in routine, remember this. Sometimes you don't need a big vacation, you just need a small ride and a quiet views like this, okay? So this is why I ride. So that was our today's journey. We hit the ATM stove, we hit the fuel station, had some off-roading and a beautiful river sunset. And if you enjoyed the riding with me, hit the like button and it really helps the channel. And if you want more ride like this, subscribe and stay with me on the road. And until the next ride, ride safe, stay free, and never stop
Hey,
exploring.
hang out there.
And see you in the next one. Peace.